Hi everyone. Today module is platform developer and certification 23. So we can solve this quiz and challenge today. So click it here and we can firstly complete this quiz. So let's go and click on challenge and let us see what is the first question. What component customize little list directly from the Lightning app builder? Okay, so I'm already solved this quiz, so I'm just take out the answers and just move out the challenge. So first answer is a dynamic layered list, and second is where can we debug? Okay, the flow builder, and third one action. Okay, create article recommendation, and the fourth one customer address will improve. Okay, structured data, sorry, state and country territory list, and fifth one is what is the benefit of dynamic. Okay, and place field and mode object and stop it and support it. Sorry, and the last one is structure of this copying. So if a single value contain a comma, okay. So we move to the next challenge. So click it here. And now the first quiz is completed. Now we move to the second unit. We just click it launch. And in this module, you just create a permission set. So firstly, we just enable this active user button. So click it here and just type user management. So you just see here, here is this enable button. If you not enable, just go to the user management setting. Just enable this button. So if you not enable, then you can't permission for 30 days, 15 days, and 1 month ago. So and after that, you create a new permission set. So you just go and type permission here permission set and just click it new. Where's new? And just fill the name. The name is report permission. Okay, just copy it here and just put it. And API name is also taken. After that, the session active required. Okay, let's check out and save. And after saving, just take a permission from create and customize report, create report folder, and schedule report. Okay, so just scroll down, you just see system permission is here. Just click it here and just enable this permission. So click it edit and okay, just scroll down, you just see create and customize. You can just yeah, create and customize report. Click it here and create and okay, create report folder. So create report folder. Let us see, create report folder. Okay, let's create report folder. And the last one, I think scheduled. Yeah, schedule report. So scroll down. It's alphabetically, you can easily find it. Yeah, schedule report. Okay, and now just click save and save. Okay, and after that you just validate the permission. So just click in manage assignment and you just see here is lots of assignment. So firstly add this assignment and after that you just see, just click it here and recent view. Okay, so just in this is mine, so just click it here and just next. And here you just see specify the expiration date. So click it here and the date is 30 days in a given. So just click it 30 days and after this click it 30 days and this is sign. Okay, now your module is completed. Just click it done and okay, let us see and go check your on this point. So click it here and just wait for 15 to 20 seconds. Start. Okay, then now your challenge is completed. This is a very simple challenge. You just create a firstly you just create a permission, uh, sorry, and just permission name and system training go to take permission for it three given option, and this enable the validation how many days you will get a validate or the permission set. So if you have any query in this video, just comment it. Thank you for watching. See you later.